Morning. So I've just taken delivery of this, and this is a refurbished laptop, so I can edit these videos a bit easier and not churn away waiting and waiting and waiting for the files to upload. Anyway, let's see what I've got myself. Well, we have a charger. And we have a power lead for the charger. There's a lot of bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. So here we are. Does it power up? Initially, no. Let's try and charge it. So, here we are. I've connected the charger. As you see, the blue light's on. It's plugged in. We don't have any lights. We hit the power button. It illuminates, but nothing does. That light stays on for about 20 seconds, along with the power button. Ah, and there you are. It's gone out. It's dead. Okay, update on the laptop for editing these videos. You saw me unboxing the used Lenovo 5470. There was no life in it with the power button. I was then going to try the power adapter. No power, no life. The seller was very good about it. Returned, no quibble. So let's try again. Let's try with this. Should we unbox it and find out? One power lead, one adapter. Doesn't smell like it's come from a smoker's house, which is good. Okay, here we go. So we have ourselves an HP 430 G4. Now apparently this has got 8 gig of RAM. It's got a 256 SSD drive, and on first inspection it looks in pretty good condition, you know. There's a very faint scratch there, which I mean you'd be hard pushed to see, and the seller was very honest about the fact that there's a little bit of a deformation on the SD card reader there, but I mean look, who cares about that? Corners are good, the rubber feet are all in place. Okay, it's looking promising. So this is literally, as you see, the first time I've had this out of this box. Let's place it down. Let's lift the screen. There is no visible defects to the screen. All the keys are there. Power button is here. Shall we? 3, 2, 1. We have lights. We have an HP boot screen. We have a whirring Windows clock. Do you know what? We're in action. Yes, yes. Looks like I've got lucky. Mind you, there's a bit more investigating to do yet, but first impressions are good. Whew. Unfortunately for you, that means there might be some more videos coming.